Hi friends, this is Sathvik and I welcome you to my channel. Friends, in this video we are going to cover many topics like why Indian government banned PUBG Mobile and other Chinese apps, and also we are going to cover why PUBG Mobile only banned, not PUBG. So I think no one know the reason exactly. I will tell you the reason right now and how a ban works. Actually, previous month also many apps were banned like TikTok and more popular apps also banned by the Indian government. Actually, how it works, what is meant by ban actually. So we were going to know about this also. Can we play PUBG Mobile again? Currently it's banned, right? So can we play PUBG Mobile again? How? If yes, how can we play? Yeah, all these questions will be answered in this video, so please watch this video completely till the end to know the answers. And if you like the content, please do like and also share with your family and friends. Come on, let's start and let's learn something new. First, why Indian government banned PUBG Mobile? Not PUBG, it's PUBG Mobile. Okay, so actually PUBG Mobile is an Chinese related app. PUBG is an Korean related app. Actually, PUBG is a game which is designed by Korean company. Later on, when coming to the PUBG Mobile, Tencent took it. Actually, Tencent took some license from the Korean company and they built up they developed the PUBG Mobile. So PUBG is quite different from PUBG Mobile when coming to the hosting services that are given by the companies. PUBG belongs to South Korean and PUBG Mobile belongs to the Chinese company. So because here clearly mentioned, because of some tensions over fresh Chinese provocation in Ladakh, so government is more concerning about the security and privacy of their Indian people. They passed a statement yesterday that IT ministry, like the apps are engaged in activity which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. So this decision is a targeted move to ensure safety, security and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. So this is the statement given by the Indian government, and after that statement they attached a document which have some 118 new Chinese apps that were banned, and the main important app that we people use it to love and we people use it to play is that PUBG, right? It become a trending thing right now in the current internet space. So this is the actual reason. They want to ensure our safety and security and privacy. That's why they blocked that Chinese apps, and mainly PUBG Mobile also belongs to the Chinese app, I mean Chinese server only. The data that is storing from the PUBG Mobile is also stored in the China database servers only, because the PUBG Mobile belongs to the Chinese company, that is Tencent. Okay, it's not in South Korean. PUBG belongs to South Korean. So this is a myth, like PUBG belongs to South Korean, why PUBG banned. Actually PUBG didn't ban, PUBG Mobile was banned. Okay, so how a ban works. In the previous month many 57 or 60 apps were banned, and right now we have 118 China apps were banned. This is not a new thing. Actually many times happened before, like many apps were banned, many websites were banned. Actually you people don't know how actually it works, how they will ban. Okay, so now coming to these apps, I will talk about two important factors which plays a major role in banning in a country. So geographically they restrict the access to those apps through internet, right? The main key factors is one. So coming to the PUBG or any other app, the companies which provide these apps and the companies which will run these apps in the country should obey to the rules of government, right? So now government banned it. Government will pass an order to the both Google and Apple stores to remove those apps from their Apple stores, right? Okay, cool. Let's listen carefully. Okay, the app was removed from it. What if one who uses it previously downloaded in their mobile? Then what is it work right again? So the government also passed an order to the ISPs, means internet service providers and telecom sector giants like Jio, Airtel, the one who provides service to you, the one who gives internet to you. So they will also, the government also pass order to block those IP addresses and also block those internet traffic coming from those servers, right? So if you want to access any PUBG server, those servers are there in China itself. So the internet connection should be there for us to access and play those games or any use other apps, right? When coming to offline apps, there is no need to, if you download it till now, then you can use those offline apps as usually. But when coming to the online apps like PUBG, so we have to connect to those servers, and those restrictions will be done by even ISPs and telecom sector even if you download it from various other sites, it may be available, but when coming to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, it won't be available now. There is a one biggest advantage for many people to what we call to bypass these kind of stuff. Actually, it is not an illegal thing, but we should have to maintain some safe things, and we should not go against with the government rules also. So there is one particular kind of technology, so it is called VPN, virtual private network. I think many people will use this also, because how VPN works means, so see, currently government will pass some orders, right? So then the internet traffic that coming from our Indian geographical internet traffic will be blocked when accessing to those servers, right? This will be happen. But when coming to VPN, if we use VPN client, then what will happen means the data packets or the data which we are requesting to the PUBG server or any other apps which are banned, the data won't go to the ISP directly. It will be encrypted. It actually masks your IP address. Every device have IP address, and the ISPs also block your internet traffic to those servers through IP address only. What VPN makes means, it actually masks the IP address. It shows that the internet traffic is coming from some other country like Australia, or coming from some China. Like this it will be happen. Okay, so ISP know that you are using VPN, but ISP don't know that you are accessing, you are requesting for PUBG Mobile. So this thing will happen. The request to the China server won't go like the request coming from India. It actually go like the request is coming from some other Australia or some other country. So many people use it to play using VPNs, and also some use it to access websites which are blocked in their country using VPN. Currently, if the account is banned, if ISPs and telecom sectors traffic was banned on the basis of IP, then it will be okay. What if there is another way to block your traffic? That is device IDs. Yeah, device ID. What is a device ID? A device ID is nothing but simply a unique ID that used to identify your device, either it mobile device or laptop device, anything. Actually, it is used to smartphone and tablet worldwide. It is a unique device ID. We have two types of IDs for different operating systems, whereas Google uses AAID, and when coming to the iOS, it uses IDFA. So these are the two different types of IDs that are different from different platforms. What will happen means, if you registered for PUBG Mobile previously, then your device ID will also be collected by the ISPs, and if they block the device ID, then definitely, even though you connect with the VPN, you can't access PUBG, right? Because they are not only blocking your traffic using IP address, they are also blocking your traffic with the device ID also. If they did this thing, okay, it's based on government decision. Actually, previously TikTok banned. Then what will happen means, the ISPs on the telecom sectors block with the IP and also with device IDs. Now what will happen, we don't know. Till now there is no information to the telecom sector to ban for making this video. It based on government whether they are blocking just basis on IP, or they also add some device ID for more better implementation of those acts. So we have to see for that. So another question is whether the South Korean PUBG mobile version is still available to play or not. It is also based on government only, because actually PUBG mobile is completely Chinese one, but when coming to the PUBG, it is a South Korean one. Many people asking me that PUBG version, which is South Korean, is completely based on South Korean servers, then it will be there or not. So it's completely based on government. So we have to wait for 2 to 3 days, then all these acts will implement. Most important thing we have to consider is, we should not go against the government rules. We should not use these kind of VPN servers to play against it. If anything happen serious, then it will be show you a lot of effect on you later on. So be careful. And more important thing is, PUBG is not banned. PUBG is still available for laptops and desktops. You can play PUBG in those things, but it is not free one. Actually, it is a paid one. We have to pay some 999 rupees to play in desktops and laptops. But when coming to PUBG Mobile, it is provided as a free one, and PUBG Mobile Lite also provided as a free one by the Tencent. They also blocks using device ID. There is only one way to play, that is rooting your mobile or else resetting your mobile. Then the device ID will be changed. So this is the only thing we can do if you want to play PUBG, even though some restrictions are there in our country. So this is completely for educational purpose only. I'm not encouraging you to break any rules. I'm just telling you that these are the possible ways that we can play PUBG after even ban, right? And we have to obey to the government rules. This is strictly, and everyone will be punished if something went wrong. Keep those things in mind, and still you have access to the PUBG, so you can play in our laptops and desktops. So I think this video is very useful for you, and a lot of information was added also. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks. Bye bye.